Good afternoon and welcome to Wish News Today. I'm Kay, reporting from Veteran Pejuang Kemerdekaan Street. So guys, since early April, this major road has been under continuous repair, and the length of the road that has been under continuous repair is about a kilometer more or less. So the construction aims to improve road quality in the long run, but for now it has caused daily serious traffic jams and long queues of frustrated drivers, especially the drivers that who do not ride motorcycles. So why are they frustrated? Because this road uses open close system. So what is open close system? Open close system means that this road can only be crossed by riders from south side at one time, and then after 1 or 5 minutes this road can only be crossed by riders from the north side. It's like that. So the disruption has forced many commuters to seek out alternative ways to reach their destination. Although the repair work is almost done, which is just 7 days more waiting for the repaired road to dry, the drivers look like they are tired of being stuck in traffic and having to wait the road to reopen. Many motorcycle riders try to overtake cars from the left and right side because staying behind the long queue of vehicles would take more time for them to reach their destination. So with that long queue and partial road closures, it's no surprise that many are searching for alternative ways. Earlier, I reported from Veteran Pejuang Kemerdekaan Street, where the main road works are taking place. But now I'm here on the unnamed street near Dusun Tua Johor Mojolaban. So this road is filled by cars and motorcycles every day, and you can see, guys, the cracks and damages are have started to appear because many riders use this road as an alternative way to reach their destination. To get to know more about this, let's ask one of these road users. Mojolaban. Dari daerah mana kak? Dari Pejuang, Mojolaban, Sukoharjo. Kakak awalnya pengguna jalan utama itu ya?
Betul. Aku biasanya lewat jalan utama itu karena kalau dari kampus itu lebih cepat. Kampus aku di UNS ya, terus kalau dari rumah aku kan Mojolaban ke UNS itu kan jujur jadi lebih cepat aja sih, karena emang satu-satunya rute yang biasanya aku lalui gitu.
Oke. Terus kira-kira kalau lewat jalan pintas ini karena jalan utama lagi diperbaikin, lebih hemat berapa menit kak?
Biasanya sih kalau nggak macet ya, ini juga tergantung lalu lintas. Itu 6 sampai 10 menit.
Lumayan ya. Terus kakak berharap nggak kalau jalan pintas ini diperbaiki juga?
Ya berharap banget, karena kan jalan ini kayak yang kita lihat ya, lubangnya, terus kayak ini jalannya sempit dan kalau malam itu minim penerangan. Terus kalau jalan utama itu macet atau lagi diperbaiki lagi, itu warga sekitar bisa lewat sini jadi jalan alternatif ya. Jadi kalau diperbaiki itu bisa lebih nyaman, lebih aman juga buat lewat gitu sih.
Oke guys, gitu aja dari kami. Terima kasih ya kak sudah mau diwawancarai. Just right before this, we spoke to a daily commuter who used to rely on Veteran Pejuang Kemerdekaan Street, Rahma, to get to her university, which is Universitas 11 Maret. In her words, the ongoing road work has made travel so time-consuming that they've started using the street instead. According to her, the shortcut saves about 6 to 10 minutes depending on how crowded it is. However, she also expressed concern about the damage now visible on this road. She hopes that once the main road is fully repaired, the shortcut road is also being repaired to ease access for the surrounding community. Until the main road is fully restored, the pressure on both official and unofficial routes will likely continue. But we hope that damaged road will always be repaired as soon as possible. That's the Wish News today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.